I absolutely love working with HelloFresh because their recipes are always so fun, so easy, and super delicious. So if you guys have never heard of HelloFresh before, which I would just find that so hard to believe, HelloFresh is a meal kit delivery service and they send you pre-portioned meals directly to your doorstep. So it definitely comes in handy during this busy holiday season. On days like today when I just really don't want to think about what's for lunch or for dinner, I can just reach into my HelloFresh box, pull out something and prepare it in like 20 or 30 minutes. One thing that I absolutely love about HelloFresh is that they always give you a ton of recipes to choose from each week. And let's say you're out of town or maybe you're just not feeling it this week, you can always change the date of your delivery, or you can skip a week altogether. So it's completely up to you. The Old Bay buttered up chicken with garlic mashed potatoes and roasted veggies sounds super delicious. So let's go ahead and get cooking. Excited to finally try this meal. This is just another thing that I love about HelloFresh. It cuts out the meal planning, it cuts out the grocery trips, and you can get your meal on the dinner table in 30 minutes or less. This only took me about 25 minutes to make. So let's go ahead and try it because I am so excited to try this Old Bay butter on the chicken. Let's try it. Amazing.